Finally, Samantha is here.
What's there?
She coming, man.
Yes!
Finally.
Yes!
Yes.
Kick out your foot, ya girl, for you no man must go. Call out her name, yes, you bless. No girl no more than you.
Yes.
And me fi tell you, and none of them can.
Yes! It's a lazy video tonight. I ain't gonna lie to you. All my water finish. Your boy tired. What is the time? AM. But you don't know, so the show must go on. We have a nice lineup. It's a IT and Fancy Cat show lineup. Me not gonna talk out the thing. I run the thing. Wicked tonight.
Yo. Every set. Wish boss. Cut on.
I'm new to the area. Ask the man here.
Yo, big man. I wish boss. Cut on.
Now youth, are you the man I talk to? It's a simple question I ask. Understand no? You dumb?
Yo, me no low. Friend, you know. I wish boss me ask you. Cut on me.
It's a simple question the man I ask you. Answer him now? You're deaf or you're dumb? A big disrespect that man.
Yo.
If me hands I'm gonna take me a mama. I'm a game.
Why you mock the man, brother? The man stammer. And you come mock the man. Anything you get, you deserve. Cause you're not supposed to do that. If you help the man, you help the man. The man asks a simple question, fam. Simple question. Yeah.
I mock you? I mock him really, I mock you? Shock the boy! Shock him! Shock him! Yeah, shock him! Yeah! Shock back the boy! Box him then! Shock him! Box him down! Make him down! Defend it! Shock back the man! Shock back the man! Your man or your mascot? You make come and just come here and shock him and not defend it! Yeah!
No.
Officer, come here! Quick, come!
Yo.
Officer, I tell you what my look good self, and the man them just come on and just start bomb rush me, and then all of a sudden they walk and fight over me.
Go on. Yes, sir.
No, sir. Everybody dumb. Everybody stammer. Everybody deaf. Everybody blind. Nobody can see. A blind. What you saying? Say blind or lead blind. Well, a stammer, I chat to stammer. The conversation can't go no further. It just stop. It stammer. Big up all the people who talk with a stammer. We understand the man. You see me, I say I just say things that we're not making fun of you. We're just making fun of the situation. In the video here. Nothing against you guys. Anyways.
Jesus, why you not supposed to do?
Hey, contract not even we. You think my cover bulletproof? Me don't want to shoot me again.
What? Hey boss, get up out of the casket because you don't want to get shot again. Oh my gosh, man. IT and Fancy Cat show is funny, you know, man. If funny gone to bed, them man are creative. This is what you call creative writing. But just imagine, you're there at a funeral and a dead man wake up. Huh? Anyways, we are moving forward. That was a good one. This is even a better one.
Audrey!
Oh, Audrey, send on the man things them. Big ugly Audrey.
Audrey!
Send on.
What is
send on
it?
the things there.
You last? Are you deaf? Eh? You know you miss me you left. Eh?
You come for my things then.
So you think I'm afraid that you're your friend them? You bring your friend them come here for. Let me tell you this, you know. Are you alone? I go come in here, so. Yeah? None of them there can't come in here. Yeah? And do it fast too.
Send on the man things them. You're big and ugly like one.
You work?
So on the Freda, go in there with the man.
So I want you. Saying that's a dog.
Dog in the yard. What kind of dog? A pitchy bull? Bring them come here, my boss.
Bring them. Defend your things them, my boss.
Okay, I will on the man things them.
Defend your things
Give
them.
me them. Go back, go on for the rest of them.
Go for the rest.
No more, and I eat this.
Everything?
Come.
Hey! You forget this.
No more not in there, I hate this. One source of fun, not even a TV. Only thing about have a Audrey and I close for the back. No sir. So how you gonna start over, brother? Problem you put yourself in. Anyways, see last piece of video, yeah? And trust me, you're gonna laugh until tears come on the eye. Good tears.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Oh my Lord! Oh my gosh! Somebody help me! Help this man! Somebody can please help this man! Some water! I mean, stinking shoes can help you!
Hey, you never hear about the man who faint in front of a restaurant and one woman run come at about. Here or no? Give me a sweet orange to revive him. The man just said, move a strawberries, I want. See me faint in front of a restaurant, you know. If me want orange, me da faint down a market.
Anybody have any stewed peas for this man? Help me now, please! You need help! Somebody give me some stewed peas! You want the item one?
Hey, it look like this thing work. Well, watch and see as my belly full. I go straight go faint in front of them. The nearest bank.
Oi! Boss ever go faint in front of the dearest bank. Brother, and which bank sells stuff now? And which bank are dearest bank? Let me see. There's no such thing as dearest bank. But which one I bank we would also have the most money? Well, I'll probably say Scotia Bank. I don't think. Anyways, as you can see, me not too talk much tonight because the boy want to sleep. So just like the video, share the video, subscribe, click the notification bell so you can come back tomorrow and laugh and leave a comment. What if the comment say? If you don't like the video, comment more IT and fancy cat. Yeah man. Stay safe and God bless.